This summer, I'm working from home on a 100-year-old retired dairy farm in the mountains, and needless to say, my workstation had seen better days. It was disorganized, had no room for storage, and it wasn't leading to very productive days. I decided to take some action and replace the old desk setup with Toden surfaces, and it was way easier than I ever imagined. For 12 feet of total length, I only had to use 4 brackets and 8 screws, and even though the studs in this old building were few and far between, I was able to put the brackets where those studs were and have over 3 feet of surface on the side of the bracket with no sagging at all. After throwing on a quick coat of paint to match the wall color, I managed to get everything put back together before going to bed early for some 8 a.m. meetings. I even put an LED light strip on the bottom of the desk surface for some ambient lighting and installed the top of my old cat tree so Sasha could hang with me while I work with a few screws. In the morning, it was pretty clear how awesome it had turned out. Clamping the monitors to the back of the surface was seamless, and it looked super clean. Sasha loves it, which is obviously the most important thing, and I cleared all of my camera equipment and important stuff off the ground and over my head. Overall, for about $300, I created a workstation that I'm super happy with and way more motivated because of. I wish I could take a nap, but time to get back to work.